So today's project is we're about to convert this it's like a storage room at the moment into a break room. So it's extremely hot. It's like 90 degrees today, but whatever. You gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, so about to change this storage room right now. It's kind of raggedy into a break room. People can go eat and chill or whatever. And so that's what we're doing. Let's go check it out. Woo! It's hot. My amigos. Got you a new truck? Getting money? What's up?
Good morning.
Chilling. This is the room. We going to basically tear this wall out, or open this wall up rather. Put a base cabinet in here with a sink. And then over here, put cabinets along that wall, upper cabinets along that wall, backsplash. Then on the floor, we're gonna go with vinyl clip flooring. And that window, not sure yet. Probably gonna do either glass block or that's a huge window. I don't know. That would be special order, obviously. But probably do glass block. And then ceiling tiles, gonna replace all these with new ones, and the lights, and then folding on the floor. Simple. All right. Oh, and then he gonna move the light switch from over there to over here. But he got to run the plumbing through here because there is none obviously in that room. So we're gonna run the plumbing from over here through this wall right here into the closet. So put a sink in there. And we're good to go. Man, I swear it is like, I don't know the exact temperature. It is hot as hell out here. Go see what it's looking like. Looking good. Get some drywall.
Con la madera, güey.
¿Ah?
Con la madera.
¿Eso creo que está con madera?
Aquí, cuando lo puse instalado aquí.
Ahí,
Hey, man, it is hot. I gotta bring a fan tomorrow.
Ya. Ya.
¿Este qué era que esto es una...
Oh, the dumpster. I think so. Yeah, you good. I got some bags.
That's all the big stuff out there.
Okay, I got the bags in the truck.
Okay.
What's up? Over here at my favorite spot. Go in here, see my boy. Whew. Nice and hot in here. You need some of them big industrial fans, my guy. I ain't in no rush.
Give me 2 minutes.
That's cool, brother. I'm great. My favorite white cousin.
Look around.
I am, man. I thought you said you had no cabinets.
I don't have like a... I have walls. I don't have seat bases.
Man, I could have used some of these. Definitely could have used this. I should have came over here yesterday. They got tied up. Oh wow, you got the backsplash too? Oh yeah, I need that too while I'm here. Yeah, he's stacked up on the flooring for sure. Hold on, let me turn this light up. Oh man, he got all the good stuff. Oh, I see something I like. What is that? Oh yeah, I gotta get this. Oh yeah, I need that for my crib. Yeah, I need to get that. Got toilets galore. pristine, you feel me? So this is what I was thinking, right? I was thinking about putting an accent / abstract wall right there. That's kind of big though. I ain't trying to be here all day. It's hot. Ain't no AC in this building. Fans ain't really working. So then I was thinking maybe this wall right here. You know what I mean? But generally speaking, when you walk in the room, you want to see it like, you feel me, when you walk in, but maybe that's a me thing. So either right there on this wall, or I was also thinking right just over here above the cabinets, you know what I'm saying? This little section right here, which would be totally easier, but that's far up. And it's kind of like you ain't even gonna see that unless you're washing your hands, doing some whatever over here. I don't know. I need to figure it out because they'll be done by tomorrow. Not sure. They're done with the cabinets for the most part. Just missing one, like a pantry cabinet. I gotta go pick it up, but I can put that in. Ain't no big deal. Couple screws. But so I'm about to go do this. Put the art on the wall. I got a great idea in my head. Hopefully it turned out the way I'm envisioning it. It's basically some flowers, blue flowers, gold trim, and you know, we're gonna see what it's gonna look like. You feel me? Okay. Whew. All right. Make sure that's locked. Yeah. Cool. Damn. Do I really want to do this wall? I'm trying to think here. I'm torn. So went and picked up the pantry, man, and I expected somebody to be here, and ain't nobody here, and that thing is extremely heavy. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get it off the truck by my goddamn self. Oh, let me see if there's a dolly before I break my goddamn back. Huh. Can it even fit through this door? Let me see if it's long enough. Appreciate it. God is good. Thank you. Hold on. Let me know when you're ready. All right. I'll wait for you. Oh, shoot. We going right in here. Oh, shoot. All right, I'm gonna set my hand down first. Oh. that?
You set it down. Yeah.
Are we good? Hope we don't hit the ceiling.
What are y'all doing in here?
Creating a break room. All right, I appreciate it. You got Cash App?
I got Cash App.
I'll hook you up.
I stay right around the corner, bro. I'm looking for work right now too, man. I ain't gonna lie, and I'm an artist too, so.
Oh yeah, you an artist?
Yeah, I'm an artist. I'm a graphic designer by trade, man. It's just been real slow. I know how to do a lot of stuff, man. I'm just looking for anything to really help anybody to get back on my feet. Yeah, man. I don't even be
6953,
asking for much. If you just need, I just be wanting to stay busy, man.
For sure, I got you. All right, got this bad boy in here. I think this would look better over in that other corner. But we good. We good. All right. Perfect. All right, all done. I'm trying to think. Got this over here. I like it. We clean it up and take some pictures. Okay. With the blue tile. All right, that's it. Let me skedaddle. I'm gonna try to think. It was a 2-day turnaround, not bad.